Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy elastic waist skirt for 6-inch dolls. That's 15-centimeter dolls, like the little 6.5-inch American Girl mini dolls. But before we begin this simple sewing project, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a link below this video in the description on YouTube. Now the skirt pattern must be placed on folded fabric, and you can see me undoing my pattern there and laying it out. When you unpin the pattern and unfold the fabric, it should make a rectangular piece of fabric like this. We're going to double fold hem the skirt by folding once and then a second time. Here I am showing you, you fold it once and then a second time, just like that. Now I like to hide my knot inside the folds because I often use a whip stitch. And here you can see how the whip stitch works, but if you need a little help with whip stitch, I do have a tutorial on that as well. I like to use the whip stitch to hem by hand, but it's also okay to use the sewing machine. It works just as well. Once your hem is done, create a casing by once again folding just once, but then make a much deeper fold for the second fold. It's probably about 1 centimeter deep. So you fold once, and then you fold a second time, and on that second fold make sure a safety pin can fit inside that casing. Now again, if you need help with a casing, I actually have a tutorial on how to make a casing. It will give you a little more information on what a casing is and how they work. Here you see me doing that whip stitch again. So I use a whip stitch, but it's okay to use a sewing machine to secure the casing. Now do you see that straight pin? I like to use a pin to hold the fabric in place while I'm working so that both sides of the skirt match up. We're talking about the length. You want it to be the same distance, okay, from the casing to the hem at both ends of the rectangle. Now measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut the elastic to fit her waist snugly. You need to insert a safety pin at one end of the elastic and send the safety pin through the casing. Here's a little video that shows me doing that rather quickly. You can see that I use those safety pin or those straight pins again to secure the elastic. Bring the skirt's two raw edges together and sew from the waist to the hem. Invert the skirt like you see here. And now you're ready to try the skirt on your doll. These little 6-inch American Girl dolls are really fun to sew for. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please tell your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this little polka dot dress. Goodbye.